In front of me is HONOR X7d, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to access Gallery app, and after tapping on it, decide if you want to delete your photos from Photos or Albums. Either way, when you're ready, let's start with Photos. Hold one of them. And to select multiple, right away tap on this button at the bottom right corner. Now, with all of them selected, tap on the ones you wanna keep. And to get rid of the rest, use the delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to delete them from albums, click on them, select one of your albums, and hold one of your pictures. Then use the same button at the top right corner. Tap on photos you wanna keep, and get rid of the rest the same way as before. I can assure you it will work because I tested it multiple times. But if you deleted any photo by mistake, don't worry, hit Albums, scroll all the way down and choose Recently Deleted to restore it. If you want to do it now, hold it and tap on Restore at the bottom left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!